Welcome to break 6,615 for the 2022 Hit Parade Football Platinum Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, June 23rd, 2022. It's 10:45 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:45 p.m. Central Time, 8:45 p.m. Mountain Time, and 7:45 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have the Legend 2, John with 1, Kev 3, Todd 3, John Head 2, Dulai 1, and 7, Dulai 1, Fanatic 1, CH West 3, Ed Warpit 3, Hooper with 5 teams. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Legend on top, Hooper on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Ann on top, Todd on the bottom. All right, and with the Cardinals, John Falcons, Cirque Fanatic Ravens, John Head Bills, and Panthers, Hooper Bengals, Bears, Ed with the Browns, Dulai with the Cowboys, the Legend Broncos, Dulai with the Lions, Hooper Packers, John Head Texans and Colts, Legend Jaguars, CH West Chiefs, and with the Raiders, Ed with the Chargers and Rams, Todd Dolphins, Ed with the Vikings, Kev Patriots, and Saints, CH West with the Giants, and with the Jets, CH West Eagles, Hooper Steelers, 49ers, Kev Seahawks, Todd Buccaneers, Kev Titans, and last but not least, Todd with the Washington football team. All sealed up. Empty. We have a booklet. We have a Saquon Barkley Rookie Giants Playbook, 98 out of 99. All right, first let's see who has the Giants. New York Giants going to CH West-0. Are you here? Don't want to cut that open unless you're here, but that way we can see. We can kind of see. Saquon Barkley Rookie Jersey Auto Booklet from break 6,615 for the 2022 Hit Parade Football Platinum Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot and bonus 173. And up next is break 6,616 for the 2021-22 Hit Parade Hockey Platinum Limited Edition card box. Thanks.